Hello everyone, it's Guru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about how can we do price tampering using TamperDev extension. So for this we'll be using a Chrome extension which is TamperDev. So first you have to install it. Simply click on these three dots, then go to extension, then click on visit Chrome Web Store, and here search for TamperDev. This is the extension. Click on it. And here I'm getting the option to remove from Chrome. You will get the option to install it. Okay, so simply click on the install and it will be installed on the Chrome. So once you have installed it, I have a website here, curieapparels.com, and I want to purchase a product from this website. So let me simply select any one product. Let's say I want to buy this one. So what I'll do, I'll simply select a size, let's say L, and then I'll click on order now. Okay, then we have to fill this form. Let me just quickly fill this form and come back. Okay, so I have filled this form. Now what we have to do, before we click on buy it now, we have to open TamperDev. So click on your extensions and click on TamperDev. A window will be open like this. You have to turn on intercept. Okay, you can use either TamperDev extension or you can use Burp Suite to intercept the request and modify the price. So we are using TamperDev here. So once you do it, click on buy it now. Remember to turn on the intercept, otherwise you will order the product with original price. So you will see a request is intercepted here, which says order/new. We have to change price in this request. So click on this request and scroll down a little. You will see the body request of the body. So what you have to do, you have to find the price of the item here, and it was 899. So here you can see it's written 899. Change it to 1, then 1, 1, and 1. Okay, remember wherever it is 899, you have to change it. Okay, then once you have changed the prices, simply click on this yellow button or send request and wait for some time, and you will get a response. Click on send response. Okay, then let's see the next request. We have to forward this as well. Okay, simply just forward this request. I guess we are done. Just let's intercept one more request here. Forward, and then forward. Okay, so it's done, I guess. We will just turn off the intercept now. So let me just try turning off the intercept and let's see. Okay, so you can see I have successfully ordered this item for 1 piece. So this is how you can do it. You can do the same thing on a phone also. Install TV browser. So search for TV browser on a phone and then go to its settings. Okay, this is a TV browser. Go to its settings and install tempered extension there and do the same process. Okay? Remember, you have to temper the price in order placement. This is it for this video, guys. If you want price tempering sites, join our channel in the video link. Link is given in the video description. Also, you can join our free hacking course on Udemy. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial.